you understand.
Yes, sir.
More things, more revelations will come out to even some of the people where they go detain. Will then go talk. People go hear.
Àṣírí ti fẹ́ tú o lórí ikú tó pa Mohbad o. Brekete ti sọ wípé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àṣírí tí a gbọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀ pátá lòun ó wá tàn mọ́lẹ̀ sí tóun bá ti padà dé láti Ìkòròdú níbi tí òun ti lọ ṣe investigation ìjìnlẹ̀ lórí ikú tó pa Mohbad o. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wá tún súnmọ́ bí kẹ́ ẹ wá gbọ́ update lórí justice for Mohbad pẹ̀lú Brekete family. Ẹ̀yin tí ẹ bá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń wò mí fún ìgbà àkọ́kọ́, DG Naija TV lẹ́wà yìí, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ má gbàgbé láti máa bá wa tẹ subscribe button tó wà ní abẹ́ fídíò yìí. Ẹ like fídíò yìí, ẹ drop gbogbo èrò ọkàn yín sí comment kẹ́ ẹ dẹ̀ máa pín fídíò yìí káàkiri. Ẹ wò tí ẹ bá gbàgbé ẹ̀yin èèyàn wípé Brekete lọ sí ìlú Èkó ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá tó ti lọ ṣe ìwádìí ìjìnlẹ̀ lórí ikú tó pa Mohbad ní ìlú Ìkòròdú. Báyìí Brekete ti jẹ́ ká mọ̀ wípé gbogbo àwọn àṣírí tí àwa fúnra ara wa ò gbọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀ pátá lòun máa tú síta. Afẹ́fẹ́ ti fẹ́fẹ́ gbogbo ìfòró adìyẹ ni a máa rí níta báyìí o, nítorí wípé Brekete jẹ́ kó yé wa wípé gbogbo àwọn tí ọlọ́pàá fúnra sí lọ́jọ́sí tí wọ́n kó sí gbàgà bíi nọ́ọ̀sì tó gún Mohbad lábẹ́rẹ́ ní alẹ́ ọjọ́ tó kú, ó ní gbogbo wọn pátá lòun á jẹ́ kí wọ́n á bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ lórí nǹkan mọ̀ lórí ikú Mohbad. Àṣírí ńlá tí wọ́n fẹ́ tú báyìí o lórí ikú Mohbad o. Ẹ wò ó, ẹ jẹ́ á jọ gbọ́ ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ lórí Brekete Live TV.
Make una agree Baba Mohbad for me.
Baba Mohbad.
He dey side.
Tell am say I get good news from Ikorodu for am when I come.
And ordinary president, if you see his face, he just dey shine like small boy face. Very
He don't talk to Boyoyo.
Ogaranya.
Yes, sir.
If na you no go fresh. You know say this man, they nearly kill him. For social media, carry allegation, different type of person will lose his son where he trained from the age of 7. Pikin die. Una talk na because of the money, because of this, because of that. Begin the drag for social media. Nobody to advise him. He go see this small blogger. He go grant interview. He go here. He go grant interview. And now the thing where they want use against him be that. Now the first time, now they drag this man to come Brekete family. He be no one come. Now first they force him to come. People will believe say he go get justice here. Now they force him come. He won't come. And as soon as he come, when we give him opportunity to explain things the way them be, people come begin understand. Because all this other time, nobody give him chance to even explain. Then I say I get good news from Ikorodu. I enter Ikorodu and Ikorodu youths now wonderful youths them be. No be at people they paint them. They no bad. Now waiting they go feed them with as information. Now even make they react the way they react. That local chief, the way he talk, now be one of the things we indict Baba Mohbad.
Okay.
When he thought he advised Baba Mohbad, maybe they no bury the Pekin that day, but Baba Mohbad insist made them bury the Pekin. I see the interview. I don't know whether you understand.
Yes, sir.
Now, for person we hear that thing, when we hear when Baba Mohbad explains, say when they call him, say make him meet them for bus stop. By the time he reach the bus stop, they don't walk out go. That's the ex-wife, the Mama Mohbad. He said by the time you go reach Mohbad house, you don't see Mohbad. He climb up. He according to them, he enter Mohbad room, he see blood on top of his bed sheet. Now, he did there. They wonder which bring blood and the rest. As at that time, he never knew, but he then they feel and say like saying Mohbad don't die. Now somebody shall say the dead body they here by the staircase. By the time he reach, they don't already embalm Mohbad the local way. I don't know whether you understand.
Yes, sir.
Now Baba Mohbad told say make them embalm him. But you know, if you hear the story like this, it could be like say, so I don't know whether you understand.
Yes, sir.
More things, more revelations will come out too. Even some of the people where they go detain, will then go talk. People go hear. People will be say if they then go do proper investigation, motive day. Say they fit kill Mohbad, they no arrest them, they no detain them. I don't know whether you understand. The person when we say I know say the arrest and detention makes sense. Now that nurse way they tell say that she inject Mohbad. But what about the people where they for the same house with them? What about the people who follow and go that show? What about the people where they inside the same vehicle when they come back? What about the people where he get misunderstanding with for inside that motor? What about? This Lagos where I travel come, I discover many things. This one people they tell me.
Ordinary President, no talk now. Make it no spoil the investigation. Just
keep okay, so thank you very much. But even if I talk now like 20%.
Okay.
I hear talk, my ear full. But make I no distract when I make una continue.